Still going live. Okay, hello guys, and welcome back to Mooncoin live session. And I hope you're doing well. And we'll wait for a couple of minutes for others to join. We'll start the analyze from then on. Okay, let's start the live session, guys, and I'll update the coins that I given in the last session. And now we'll start with the BTC normal chart. Analyze. So I'll go with the last session I did a analyze, right? So I'll go with that. So in last session, I have said that this market could reach this CME gap, which is about 80,000, in the range of 80,000. So I think this is heading to that side. Okay, you can see after every the descending trend line is broken, go for dump. Actually, it was seen in okay, that pattern was seen in Solana. That's what you can see here. We have a descending trend line here. What happened? The market respected and then fall aggressively. So the same thing could happen here. The descending trend line has been broken, then our market should fall here. So this is what I'm expecting. And if you go for the lower time frame, you can find several gaps have been formed recently. Okay, I'll go for 2 hour. You can see here the gaps that has been created here. Okay, I'll go for the major time frame. And so you can see the gaps here, right? And what happened after the gap is created, it comes for a retest and then go for impulse move. Okay, so I think this is what happening. So if we take it as a, now let's take this is as an impulse. Now I think this for the, to fill the gap, it will come very slowly, then it will go vigorously. Okay, aggressively. So if we are planning to, invest in this coin, it's better to watch this good point of interest. Okay, and I'm just saying this from like 1 month ago. Okay, in every YouTube videos and sessions. So I have, you can see the previous events also. Yeah, the impulse, yes, you can just see the gaps, right? If you go for higher time frame, every time the market made a gap, what happened? The market retest that. Okay, and then only it moved vigorously. Okay. You see the same movement here. See the movement here over here. The last session we discussed that. So those who were not in the last session, just note it down, okay? And also you can in the BTC, I mean the original chart, okay, you can see that the 20 EMA has been crossed, and as well the 50 EMA has been crossed. So now if the 100 EMA is crossed, then we can expect to come here, okay? And this, because it's not a rejection, I think this is a liquidity point, okay? It's a liquidity point to trap the people. If you see closely in retail traders, you can see that this is a demand zone, okay? So I think this demand is not powerful again, okay? Then I think this will break down. Most of the stop orders will be here, under here. So I don't think this will be a good point to hold the price, okay? And also you can see the imbalances here. So okay, wait, I'll just share the, okay, wait, we have connection problem, wait. Mm, okay, now can you see the chart? Can you see the chart now? Yes, right. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, I'll go from first, and you can see that this pattern. Okay, I'll start from here. This pattern is there. This after a descending trend line has been formed, there will be a breakout, and for dump is expected. We saw this in last before session in Solana. We seen this pattern. Okay, in Solana we have seen this pattern. So if we see in the BTC also, you can see that pattern, I mean frequently in the last consolidation. You can here you can see that, right? After descending trend line broken, we had a retest, broken a retest, and we had a very big fall. Okay, and the same thing is happening here, a descending trend line, and we expect the fall to this gap. Okay, it won't exactly close the gap, but it can have a little bit downward like this movement. If you go for the 4 hour, you can see that how gaps are being respected. Okay, recently the gaps has been uh, filled like this. Okay, this is how the gaps will be filled. See the gap formed here, and see the way it has filled the gap. Okay, the same thing happened here. Gap is formed, and what happened? It has filled in this way. I hope you understood this. And those who were in last session, they might have pointed, I mean, noted these places. Every time the market, I mean, fill the gap. You see how the market has filled the gap. Market filled, and then went for a rally movement. So this is how market goes. So I don't think the bull run is started yet. Okay, you can see it has given 84%, nearly 89. Yeah, and here also you can see the gap, right? This is not considered, but we had a very small movement. This gap is created by bias, but what happened? It has filled. The gap has been filled, and then it gave a small impulse to the downside, but that's enough for the gap. If we go for another example, you can see the gap here, right? See the gap here that is created. What happened? The market respected that and flew again. Okay, it has given a 96% for another gap to open. Okay, so If you go for the current BTC chart, I in previous video I said that if the market made a close above this previous all-time high, okay, there this wick is there. If it has made a close with the aggressive bullish candle, so we will expect the price to head to 122,000 and then go for a fall. Okay, because the CME gap was between 80,000 to 82,000 to like 76,000. So however the CME gap will be gone like this. Okay, you saw the CME gap in the, yeah, you can see the CME gap how it has closed, right? If you go forward, it has closed above the gaps only. Yes, you can see this. So you can see this, right? So we can expect the market to at least come for 75,000. Okay, so if the market this is a CME gap right here. So if the market come here, 75 is expected. This price is expected. So even you can buy BTC here, okay, with small amount, and you can gain more with this. Because I think this consultation is going to be like this. Okay, the previous consultation like this, but it won't be long, but this will give very fast move to down. Okay, I hope this BTC update was useful for you. And let's go to the ETH. Next, let's go to the ETH. Okay, I'll go for an update in the coins that you have requested, and I'll give update on that. You can still DCA that, and those are very cheap. Okay, so we give an update that this would go higher if it respected, but what happened? It has made a manipulate fake out here, and then it has gone down. Okay, so this was like head and inverse head and shoulder. So that's what we were expecting. But ETH still it's struggling to break the all time high. If it breaks, then the all coins and meme coins will pump with that. Okay, I think the market would go further down for this Ethereum. Okay, this inverse head and shoulder is invalid. I think now if it respected this demand and just go up, then we can expect a good upward movement. And also it's staying in the trend line. You can see this trend line that, okay, this all these were driven in the live session. Okay, so you can see the trend line. It is the body haven't been closed in the trend line. Okay, it has only just weaked. So there are more sellers here. Those are keeping the stop loss here. So I think it would go for a small movement to the upside and then come for a downward. There you can see that it has made a liquidity sweep right here. Yeah, you can see that the liquidities has been taken here with this candle. You can see it clearly, right? I'll just zoom out for you. See, the liquidity has been taken. So I think the market could go down even further down. But here also it has taken some of the liquidities that was under this demand. the sell side liquidities were taken here. The only liquidities that is here is that this very big rejection that was held in the previous. So look closely for any bearish symptoms in here, guys. Okay. Yeah, this is a flag pattern, and you can see it has respected and should go up. But what happened? If you go for in the structure way, that is structure has been broken here, and here as well. And the newly low was created here. Okay. So now we expect the market to move higher. Then will come for a low bit downward movement and go higher. That's what I expect this market to do, because this is a trend line here that has been created. See the trend line? It's beautiful, right? Whenever the descending trend line broke to the upside, what happened? This is the same pattern. Okay, I think this market could dump a little bit downside and then go for a upward move and go for a downward. This is what I expect the market to do. Okay, note that point. The market could, I mean, it should go down like this. Okay, it should go like this. Somewhere it should stop, because there can be somewhere the limit orders. I mean, the bulk amount of orders can be sit in this wick. Okay, so if it filled, I'll show an example for you guys. So you saw this. You see this rejection. See this rejection. What happened in this rejection? After rejection, the market has come to the downside. Okay, and fill the orders here, and then again it pumped, right? So the same thing could happen. You see that it has filled the order here in the week. Okay, the same thing could happen here. Same thing could happen. Could come and fill some orders here and go all the way to the upside. But another dump is expected, guys, because if a descending trend line is broken, that's a trap for retail traders. So more retail traders come in, so they'll go to the down. So that's it. It's risky to go for a futures trade in current market situations. It's better you DCA in spot. Okay, spot also it's a bit late. I mean, a bit early. So you should wait for a while and just start in a spot trading. Futures, it takes time for futures, because for scalping it's good. Okay, but if you are a swing holder, you can't do futures. And let's go for, yeah, let's go with the first analyze. Okay, not first coin that guy is asking, Ishan. So I'll once again say this: the Ethereum scenario is what the market could go down at least to the price tag of 2,500, and then we can expect a little bit pump from here and go for a downward movement. So this is what my scenario is. I'll draw this. Okay, so market can even go here like this and respect or make a liquidity and then go down. And yeah, let's go for an XRP update. Okay, how XRP is working. So this update was given in public as well as in the subscription also. So what I expect is the market to come from the current price. Okay, should pump and retest this supply zone and go for a fall. So yeah, still it's cheap to what you can DCA these points. If you're going for a short trade, you can just keep your SL here with a low leverage and enter here. The target is here. Okay, if you go with Elliott wave, I'll show you. So let's take this is our first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave. Okay, now it should come for a corrective wave, guys. So let's go with ABCD. Now A is created, so B should be created here somewhere, and go for C. C won't be that much longer, and then it can go at least somewhere here. Okay, and go for a E. So it's better for you to DCA these coins. Okay, the two places that I'm recommending to DCA is $1.3 and 0.6. I mean $0.7. So this is a good point, and from here we can expect a very big move because you know that BlackRock is a very big stockholders in the world. They are holding about 4 trillions of assets, so they plan to invest 8 trillion of cash. Okay, in the XRP, you can go in the Binance. I have said in the last session also. You can just search for XRP news on XRP. I mean BlackRock on XRP. Okay, you can see that. Sorry, it was 9 trillion. Okay, I'll update everything. Okay, I'll update everything. So these coins are, I mean, this XRP has been trending for last 2 weeks before. So that's it. I'm saying this, and I'll recommend to buy. I mean, keep in a spot. So you can just go through this. This is Binance official page. You can go through these messages. So I don't want to read this because it takes time. Then I'll go to the updates that these guys are asking. Okay. So next, let's go with the ORC. Mm, ORC could drop. I already done prediction on this last time. What I did was if this break down, so this could lead down. So now the sentiment is bearish. Overall market sentiment is bearish. So look for shorts. Okay, look for shorts. Don't look for longs. I mean, have some probably don't stick to one. If you have buy setup, just go for buy because we didn't have a proper close in this. You can see here the market didn't close properly. I'm on daily chart, so it has only made a rejection. So be careful with that also. That's it. Market is uncertain now. You can't open trades now. If you open, however, the only two scenarios: one SL, if not liquidation. That's all. So it's better to go away from futures and then focus. And we are giving updates, right? Just stick to that. And we are giving some gems also. So invest in that and DCA that gem. You'll be in a good gain in the end of the year because this dump can't be I mean dominate the market for long term. So there should be some bias. Okay, so this cycle will be a super cycle. That's for sure. The market could come for this 0.011. So that's a good price to buy. So I have already made that, and we'll go for Wise Monkey. We'll go for Pengu. That guy is asking for Pengu. Okay. I think Pengu I had done. I think yeah, a live session. I said that 32% chances are to the downside, and it has gone to the downside. But we expect more probability was for the upside, but it didn't work that way. But it has gone down, right? Mm, let's see how far this can go down. If you go for the day, guys, you can see that this rejection, right? Don't think this is a very big rejection because this is a trap for retailers. It's a trap. Those who trade with price actions and this. So the market has changed so much. So SMC, both SMC, everything will be. I mean, don't work in the current market. You should create your own system to trade. So this is what I see, guys. Now, if you draw these two trend lines, I think this is a. So we'll go with Elliott wave. It's easy for us to analyze because this is an impulse, right? Well, now this is a correction wave. If you go with ABCK wave, now this should pump. If not, if we go with ABCD wave, okay, should go somewhere here, and then go for E wave somewhere down below. Okay, you can still with DCA this. We can take some orders here and go for a little bit pump, and then go for the E wave. So that's what I expect for this Pengu. It's a corrective wave, right? So it could make D wave and then lastly E wave, and then you can the bottom. If you buy the bottom, yeah, in a high. I mean, if you can catch the bottom, you can gain. Yeah, if it you can gain at least 40 50%. Okay, 50 times in investment. You can get at least 50 times in this bull cycle, but should catch the bottom. Okay, so don't. I mean, invest on every coins. So choose some coins and stick to that and DCA that coins, and that will make you rich. So if you are investing in every coin that you see, then it won't give much gains. Okay. Okay. And this, I think this Pengu was helpful for you in Infinity era. And can from this price. Ishani, are you asking the monkey price, my Vice monkey coin rate? Can 1500 X from this price? Yeah, Vice monkey I said that market could what did I say? Market could pump from this 0 point this trend line. I mean the horizontal line is there. Could pump from that. But what happened? It has gone to the extreme fib level. Today I watched this. It has gone to the extreme fib level and it has passed that also. You see, you go for 4 hour. Now it's a good time, guys. Now it's a good time for investment. Okay, you can see that here, right? See, the market has come for the extreme level. So this could even drop below. This could even drop below. I see liquidity here. Decent trap. If not, it won't close like this vigorously. You can see this trend line has been respected. Okay. So if you are trying to buy this, buy in the bottom here somewhere. I mean, if you bought here also, it's not still it's cheap, but you can invest. I mean, DCA this coin in the current market price as well as in the 0 point the down level. Okay. So this could give 4,000. I mean 4,000 gain if it go to the all-time high. This has proved, right? This can go. This coin has proved. So other coins we don't know where's the high is, but this coin it has proved that it has gone to this price 0.01. So if you could gain at least 1 million coin in this, 1 million is $10. Okay, now it's cheap I think because market has dropped, right? 1 million is cheap. I mean, 1 million coin can make you, if it goes, I mean, $10 can change. If it multiply by 4,000, it's like $40,000. So this can, even one coin can change your life. So this has proved. I recommend this coin because this coin has proved that this has gone to this price. But you can't say that this can go within 1 month, 1 day. Okay, could take 2 3 months or else an year, but it's worth to hold this because this project is on Floki. Floki has been supporting this, so this is a worth project to invest. Okay, and we'll go with the next. I mean, I'll give today a gem coin. It's a gaming coin. I'll give that, and not AI. Okay, not AI. Now they are listed in the spot. Okay, we'll go for Mexi. Okay, when I gave this as a free, I mean gem. When I gave this gem as in the, I mean, free sessions. Okay, I don't think this is in the last session. I think 2 3 sessions before. It was in the verge of going up, but it has failed. So it could go even more down to the down. Okay. Yeah, my expected price is this, guys. 1.61 fib level, and also this point. These are two extreme levels the market could reach. If you are able to DCA in this, so if it goes to the all-time high, okay, the average fire. I mean, if you DCA in these two prices, the average price will be in the middle. Okay, the average price will be in the middle. Somewhat here. If you measure that to the all-time high, it's about 34 times with your investment. If you put $10, it's $340. Easy money. Okay. So big money makes big money, not small money. If you put $100, it's $3,400. So don't invest that, I'm saying, because these are my investment and I gave this as gem because you need that because I failed to give you. And you can see this is a descending pattern. Okay, so it indicates a downward movement. So I just expect the market to go here. If Binance listed and Bybit listed, more buyers will come. And if it goes even higher, you can just hold it. Okay. So next we'll go with Degen. Okay. Monkey could give you even 4,000 gain is sure. But if you're holding for long term, if it goes to the all-time high, guys, sell at least, book some profits and hold that. Okay. At least 80% of the close that. And if it comes for a pullback, DCA below the 50%. Okay, then that's a good, I mean, investment because you already booked the profit. Now we are investing in the profit you gain. So you get more if it goes again to the all time. I mean, if it breaks the new all time high, you get more gain. Even Binance didn't list that, but it is supported by Floki. Okay, so it's a good investment. I'm not forcing you all to invest. Do your own research. I hope you all did and invested. So Degen, this could go down. Yeah, this could break this low that is created. Okay, should break. If it breaks, guys, then you can just buy, because if it pump from here, just think logically. If it pump from here, It is not healthy move. Okay, there are more more dumb people who bought in the middle somewhere here. So the market should wipe them out. That's what market do. So to do that, it will go to the low, because most of the buyers in the top, they think that bull run has started. But what happened? The market has down, right? So people will get fed up and they'll sell everything. So that's the time when whales get into the market. Okay, so still a bearish movement is expected to the market. If it goes down, then the minimum price it can go is 0.0. This price is the minimum. Okay, this is reachable. So this can, if the low is broken, this is reachable, and then this price. Okay, look into these prices and DCA in these two price. That's what I can say. Let's go with Supra. Supra, will just go with Supra. If you take Supra, mm, yeah, let's go with the again. This is the previous structure break, guys. So this is the 50%. Still the 50% hasn't come. Okay, if you go with this 50%, it's not a valid one. Okay. So and as well you can see this, the trend line, the same scenario. You see what happened after the trend descending trend line has been broken. What the market has done? I'll take the trend line from here. After the descending trend line has been broken, what happened to the market? In the Solana we saw this, and in the BTC chart we saw this. After every breakout, it has gone to the downside very aggressively, and then it has pumped. Okay, so this could happen. So you better, look into this point. This is a good point. You have imbalance also in the daily chart. 50% buy. If you buy in the 50%, just don't worry, because it's cheap, still cheap. Okay, you can, if it goes to the all-time high, it is about 5 times in investment. Okay, so this is a good investment. Supra is a good project. I think I have done the coins update, and we'll go with dot. Okay, we'll go with dot. When you are finding the coins, please make sure the market caps also, because if the coins, if you are expecting the coin to give 100x 50x, please look into the market cap. Okay, if it is above billions, you can't expect 100x 50x, or else you can't expect 10x. Yeah, yeah, 20x is somewhat expectable, but 100x 50x is not reality. Okay, for to get 100x and 50x, you should go with 1 million, 2 million, and 5 million market caps, such as PayPay, Waffles, and not AI, and the last gem I gave, Nyan, the gaming coin. Those are below 5 million. So that's it. I choose like that, and it can give good gain. Okay, if it goes 100, if you invest $10, it's 1,000. Who gives 1,000? No one gives, right? And you can see the same scenario, right? You see the same scenario again and again. The BTC and the Solana, and we saw for the last coin, Supra, and now we are seeing for DOT. Please remember this pattern. Okay, what happened after every descending trend line? I've been saying this several times. After every breakout, it has go for a aggressive move to the down, and then it has gone to the downside, upside. So let's see where this coin can could go. Okay, and let's take this as a high. The minimum level this can go is this one. Okay, this is the minimum point. So if you are looking for DCA, just look for this price. This is reachable. Okay, and another point that I'm saying is this point. But most of the time, I see the market respect the minimum level. Okay, because the more dump is not see the liquidity that is built here, and you can see a pattern here. See the pattern here. Okay, so after the breakout, we can expect a downward movement. Better watch to DC in this. And let's go with Gala coin. Okay, Ishan is asking Gala coin. Gala I already gave you an update. This was the update I given lastly. So what happened? Still it's struggling. Okay, struggling in this trend line. Mm, I think this market should. I don't see any buy or sell opportunity here. Okay, music coin. Yeah, you're not speaking about Gala coin, right? It's music. I never heard. Okay, Gala music. Okay, I'm on gate.io website. There's no any previous data, so all I see is this trend line. Okay, let's go with the Elliott wave in this. Okay, if you go with Elliott wave, it's an impulsive wave. Now it's an corrective wave, right? So if you go with the corrective wave, this is the low and D. Now I think market should pump according to my perspective. Yeah, it has already reached the zone here. This is the zone that I expect the market to reach. Market has reached already. If you see any reversal patterns or reversal indication in your style, better go for that. Now the market should make, because every coin no need to be correlated with ETH and BTC. I'll show an example for that. That every market should, no need to correlate with everything. You can expect a long here from here. Okay, third wave could break the high. That's what my prediction is. If you invest now, it's 20 times. If the market value is low, then you can expect more than that also. See the rejections also. Let's go for the low time frame and let's see. Okay, the market is not clear in the minor time frame, guys. So I don't like to go for that because the market is not clear, as you guys can see that. So it could turn from here. If you're going for any longs position, you can keep the stop loss below this because can be liquidity suppose. Yeah, maybe a 2% down. You can keep a 2%. You can keep ASL here and go for a long. That's all. Because you can't analyze in a small ISC. Market is not even clear. How do you trade this? Again, it's I think that's all the coin that you guys want. And okay, now let's discuss about the coin that I have been saying I'll give as a gem. Okay, I'll go with the coin gecko. Okay, we have a connection. We should wait for a minute. Okay, let's wait for some moment. Okay, this is a gaming coin, guy. It's called Dark Machine. This is a really good, I mean, a game. Okay, for interesting games, you can just invest in this. I don't recommend that. You do your own research, and it's available on Mexi. Okay, it's available on Mexi, Bitgate, and currently the cash flow is about. You can see the cash flows and volume here, right? So the largest volume is on yeah, it's on Mexi. The first it was listed on Mexi, the known exchange. And then if you go for their websites, you can see how I mean beautiful. So this is the website of them, and you can the behind the animation is you can see that the robots. Okay, you can read it out for yourself, and I given the name. You can go for the official page and just read this out. You know the partners of these coins and those who are similar. Familiar with Free Fire and PUBG. You know this Tencent, right? They are the creator of the Free Fire and PUBG. So and the partners are Biggate, Nexi, okay, Fuji Television. Fuji Television is an anime production. You know, One Piece. It's an popular, anime manga. So they are they produce the anime for that, and they are sponsored for this. I think this is a good project, and as well as if you see the market cap, it has not been okay. It's zero, but if you go for the chart is mixed in it, right? So now they are listed on crypto also, crypto as well. Okay, so this listing does drop heavily, but it's a good opportunity for you guys to buy. Okay, we'll go with spot. So that's a good one. Spot this crypto chart. You can have some data. So if you DCA this, okay, see, this is a low market cap. Okay, it can even go down. So if you buy this on several resistance, the support levels, you can earn a big, this coin. Okay, Then the same pattern is here. After descending trend line broken, then go even further. You can see the target. I mean, if you are targeting to DCA this, just DCA in this trend line. Okay, this is the trend line that I mean, this is the point for a good DCA. Okay, if you are starting to DCA this, just DCA in these points. It's a good level. And yeah, I think that's it for the session, guys. And we'll wind up this session, and we'll meet up with another good live session in the coming week. And thank you for all to sticking to the live session. And let's meet up on a good session. And bye, guys. Good night. Take care, everyone.